The WoodStat Pro is a Windows-based software designed to help professionals in the wood industry efficiently organize, analyze, and report moisture data collected with Wagner meters, L5300 and L622 moisture meters. Watch this video as we will be going over the steps on how to use WoodStat Pro to transform your moisture analysis. To use the WoodStat Pro software, you will need to install the application on your computer to properly connect, upload, and generate data and report. When you have installed the WoodStat Pro software, step 1 will be to connect your meter and PC using the provided cable. Once connected, click the Connect button at the top left of the software. Step 2 happens after clicking Connect. A quick import prompt will appear. Click Yes to import all data from the meter into one file. Click No to import groups into separate files. Step 3 is locating the data imported using the Quick Import feature. The data imported will be automatically saved in a folder named with the date and time of the import. Step 4, click Summary, Histogram, or Details to view the data in the selected folder. Step 5 is naming your meter and customizing its settings by clicking Settings in the top left corner to get started. Now the meter settings pop-up should be open. Once open, you can complete step 6 by naming your meter and assigning it a number through the meter number and meter name boxes. Step 7 is to click the Save button. This simply saves all changes to the meter. For the advanced options, click the downward arrow next to Advanced to reveal buttons for upgrade firmware, factory reset, and clear meter data. To complete step 8, generate a quick report by right-clicking on the data drive or a specific folder. After right-clicking your folder, step 9 is to click View Print. This will show the selected folder summary and histogram. Step 10, click Print to print the report. Step 11, click Export to save the summary and histogram preview to PDF. To disconnect your meter, step 12 is to click Meters on the top menu and then select Disconnect. To view the meter's changes, unplug the USB cable. As you can see, WoodStat Pro transforms cluttered moisture data into crystal clear information. As a WoodStat Pro, you can access more information about WoodStat Pro and Wagner Meters industrial moisture meters by visiting wagnermeters.com.